We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. To China. Paris 2.
Paris 2. Sekhukhune 1. Let's break the game.
Yeah.
People have said so many things, and I fully agree with a lot of people. But let's break the game.
Yeah.
You look at the centre back, the CDMs of Orlando Pirates, the combination there that they try to build with Abafana Bancane, with the absence of Abombatha, with the absence of Makaula. Now you look at this Orlando Pirates. Look, when it comes to development, Orlando Pirates, I will give it a credit.
Yeah.
It's one of the best teams when it comes to development.
Yes.
Yes, they might have small mistakes, but however, you look back, how Urile was built, how Umbatha was built, these players, they started from a very young age at Orlando Pirates, but then they have grown throughout the structures of the team, through the system of the team. They adapted to the system of the team. I liked the system that I've seen today. I liked how they played. I liked how these boys, they gave all out. Now, what I've seen from the coach as well, the coach is very brilliant. He trusts them, of course, but now he's using them differently. That look, boys, go and get an early goal. The pressure they applied in the first 10 minutes to 20 minutes of the game, it was clear that these boys, they want a goal so that they can be able to read the game. They can be able to control the game. That's what they did. So I still say that the level of IQ, Kakawadu, I'm one of the fans now that the system got Ribeiro Ipuma uzawuthini, but trust me, he's able to fit in those players right, because especially these young players, Abo Zulu, who's this young man? Abomtiane. Look at how Umtiane played. Umtiane, you can see that this is a senior player. This player is ready for even the national team. You can tell. So I liked how he actually used. But there is something that I've observed with Orlando Pirates, of which maybe some teams they can punish them. The Pirates, my attacker. Once ubisibilibili avalwe isikhukhune sesavalwe sibilibili samphusha nohodo bambeka ngabo once babeke bona once ucindezele hodo nesibilibili kunzima ukulokunja, but isikhukhune siyayigeja kuphi sayigeja kulama midfielders. That's where sesathola la second goal ka Police, because of it was a counter attack. So isikhukhune failed ku 6 and 8 wabo to control ama CDM. Remember that when ilokunjane ama 3 and 2 bepusha iCDM supposed to go and assist Central. So nazo zikhona ukuthi assist them 4 and 5 zival. So isikhukhune sesabheda lapha nyana, and then they were punished by Orlando Pirates. And I like how they are actually able to control the game. They know when to play if football that is running, that is fast, and then they know, okay, now we are in ball control, so let's rest. And then now they control the tempo of the game. That's what I like about them. Wadu, I believe that he's building a team, and trust me, when he leaves, definitely he will leave a team. I like the way that Pirates is developing with South African football. Pure, like 98% of the squad, South Africans. 98% of the squad, South Africans. Kulo 98% of the squad, you told team, 50% is young players. So I like how they are actually taking a South African football so serious. This is one of the teams that I believe that they want to see a growth from South African players. Remember that taking these young players is not just about football, but also creating opportunities. Even Kumanyamakai, some players here, they are breadwinners today. I like what they are doing, and then development it gives hope to every player that is in the development that I can still make it to senior team. One of the things that I've observed, but Uwadu, yes, he still have a problem with the striker. I don't trust Sebastian. I don't wanna lie. I don't trust. Yes, he can be a good player, but trust me, I think he's still trying to adapt maybe. But no, I'm not convinced. And the Pirates still need a good striker. It does actually have a good striker. Just need to have faith in Umakhopa. Pirates need to have faith in Umakhopa. They have a very good striker, Umakhopa. Just that, trust me, if Umakhopa no Police now,
umdlalise week in and week out.
Week in, week out, again, the confidence yakhe. Umakgopa is one of the dangerous strikers, but it depends. Remember that sometimes the player depends who are you playing with.
Yes.
You become a best player because of the people you are playing with. Trust me, now that Apolis is at 10, Umakgopa will shine. Ureido Pane is one of the luckiest players. Even him is one of those tap-in strikers. Because of what I like about him is also not selfish. I've seen him. He can be a good playmaker. He's not selfish. He can create for others as well. He will grow, but it's been a while. While he's at Pirates, so but maybe now that you can get it consistent, because trust me, Umuthuma is not a bad player. Sometimes you lack luck. You can do everything, but if ever you don't have luck, Umuthuma is not a bad player, but Umuthuma kana lucky, to be honest. No man, yazi ezinye izinto uthola ukuthi izinto zabantu. We look at ngendlela esikuyo ngemajority izinto zabantu nje. Umfana, you know, when usuke ezansi ekhaya uzama ukuphuma, so of course izinto zabantu ziyohlezi khona bazothi ngeke, so it's one of those things. But however, umfana will grow, and then umfana played very well. So I still believe ukuthi Pirates is a very good team. And but as for winning league, you can't predict this time. League predict on the last early, but they are playing so well currently. I don't know lie.
No, for it. Siyabonga mntakababa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu umuntu.
Siyabonga.